Hello everyone. This video is all about employee, company or branch transfer management. So this module will help to comprehensive solution design to streamline the employee transfer process within an organization. Whether employee are moving between different branches of a company or transitioning between district entries under the same corporate. This module simplifies and automates the entire process. It assures that HR department can efficiently manage and track the employee transfers while maintaining accurate record and complying with the internal policies. So let's see how this module will work. So first of all, we'll go into the use settings. Under settings, we go into the companies and we will create different types of companies. I have already created three companies. Now we go into the user. We go into the Michelle admin, and here we will assign the allowed companies and the default company. As Michelle is in your company as the default companies, and here we will assign employee transfer as a department manager role. Now we will go into the mark, and here we will make sure default company of the mark is different than the your company, which is of Michelle. So here I am assigning default company for mark is BrowseInfo, and here in employee transfer role we will give HR manager access. And now we go into the employee, and here we will choose, and here we have employee transfer tab. We click on the employee transfer, and we will here already I have created two transfers. Let's create the new transfer for the any other employee. So we will select employee Anita Olivo. We will assign the department manager, which is Michelle, and we will assign the date of the transfer. Then we have to assign a transfer company, in which company we want to transfer this employee. So right now it is in company, so I am assigning it to the browse info. We have two companies, browse info and the in company, so I am assigning a browse info. Now we go into the transfer department, in which department we want to transfer the employee. Let's go with the management and the administration, and we will assign the transferred position as consultant. We will save this, and right now it's in the draft state. When we submit it, it will go into the waiting for department manager approval. As for Michelle, the department approval manager is Michelle itself, so he can approve from here directly, approve and transfer. And right now you can see it in the approved and the transfer state. So now we will log in with the mark. After logging with the mark, here you can see I have logged in with the mark, and we go into the employees, and here we go into the employee transfer, and here you can see we have received the employee name and all the details of the employee, and we will click on the receive button, and it will complete it, and it will be in the done state. Now if we go into the employee, you can see Anita Oliver is in now employee of the browse info. Now again let's see Anita is visible in the Michelle's employee list or not. So now we will log in with the Michelle. Yeah. After logging with the Michelle, we go into the employee, and here you can see we are not able to see Anita Oliver. If we want to check Anita Oliver is like Anita Oliver record, we need to apply a filter archived, and here you can see Anita Oliver filter. And when we go into the Anita Oliver's filter, you can see contract is not active right now, and the employees archived that. So this is how this module will work. If you have any doubt regarding this module, please let us know in the comment section, and we will get back to you. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.